Okay, so we use a big K for these areas because big A is the angle A and they don't want to get it confused. So whenever you see a big K, it means area, and there must be another big A in the formula, and there's a hero's formula, there's a law of cosine formula to find area, there's a law of sine formula to find area. I've decided not to do the law of cosine this year. You're going to get it later on in your math career. Okay, so if you saw if you look at angle C, let's look at angle C. Little a would be right here, everybody agree? And little b would be right there. Do you see that? So when you see a triangle and you have two sides and it's included angle, meaning the two sides meet up and the angle in the middle, then you can use the law of sine to find the area of that triangle. And this is so easy, it's ridiculous, okay? And if you notice, if I draw another triangle, same triangle, A, B, C, and I circle B, the two sides here would be little c and little a. And you see how the one with the big B have a little c and little a in it? And the one with the big A has a little b and c in it? Because those are the two sides that are next to the angle. Everybody get that? All right. So all you do is you put it in the formula, 1/2 side 1, side 2 times sine of the angle in between. You make sure that this is in between, and you put it in your formula and hit enter, and that's it. So 34.6, and it would be units squared. If it was inches, it would be inches squared. If it was centimeters, centimeters squared, miles, miles squared, okay?